Getting an 800 credit score is easy. Why haven't you done it yet? People get so happy when their credit score reaches 700, but it's actually if you really want to make the most out of your money, then you have to get a perfect 850 credit score. It's not as hard as you think it is. You're just doing it wrong. So here are 5 ways to achieve and maintain a perfect 850 credit score. First of all, if you don't have a credit score, then you need to start using credit cards. A lot of people think that using credit cards is not good, but it's actually the opposite. Using credit cards can help you build a credit history and also become credit worthy. But you have to know how to use the credit card in the right way. And there are actually a lot of benefits of using a credit card. So you may ask, how do I use my credit card properly? First of all, you gotta make sure that your credit utilization is under 10% at all times. And also make sure that you don't drop your utilization way too low. Otherwise, you won't be able to build your credit. Essentially, what the credit card company wants you to do is maximize the credit card, pay it off, and typically stay under 10%. I remember when I started building my credit when I went to school is when I bought a 0% credit card and bought a Mac with that credit card. And what I essentially did was paid it off every single month. So for example, if your MacBook costs $200, then you can split that $200 into 12 payments every single month for $100 every single month. And you can pay a little extra just to build your credit. And that's how I slowly became credit worthy. And now I was able to actually acquire $500,000 in 0% capital on my business side, just because I started somewhere. Now, achieving a perfect credit score does not mean that you have to have a 10 or 15 years of credit history. All you need is at least 5 years of credit history or length of credit to achieve a 850 credit score. When I started my journey, my oldest account was 2 years old. But what I did to get that credit age to 8 to 10 years is by becoming an authorized user onto someone else's account and leveraging their age and good factors to reflect onto your account. Now, I'd be lying if I told you that having just a credit card can build you 850 credit score. Now, in order for you to get from 800 to 850 credit score, you need to report some paid off loans. That means that you need to have a credit mix and you need to show that you can handle credit from multiple sources, including a loan, a credit card, a mortgage, and other financial accounts. I've done so many videos about this, but pay your bills on time. Setting an automatic payment is easy. It's all about managing your money so that you can actually pay on time. If you ever forget to pay on time, then you can turn on automatic minimum payment. The bank will make an automatic minimum payment towards that balance so that the credit card companies will report 100% payment history. Although you will still report utilization, but it will still report 100% payment history. Your payment history accounts for 30% of your overall credit score. So you want to make sure that you always pay on time and you don't have any late payments on your credit profile. Having just one late payment will take you from a perfect 850 credit score to 600 credit score. Did this motivate you to get your financial together? DM me the word credit on Instagram and I will give you more free advice. Or go watch my other YouTube videos on ways to fix your credit and also acquire 6 figures in 0% capital.